Beacons is designed to be the best link in bio tool for creators, but does it really deliver? With so many options out there, it's hard to know which one to trust. Let's dig into what Beacons offers and see if it's worth your time. So, what exactly does Beacons do? At its core, it's a link in bio tool that helps creators consolidate all their important links into a single customizable page. This is especially handy for social media users who want to direct their followers to multiple sites, whether it's their YouTube channel, merchandise, or other platforms. Navigating the interface, you'll notice it's quite user-friendly, which is a big plus for those who may not be tech-savvy. You can customize your page with visuals and links, creating a personal brand space that reflects your style. However, there are areas where clarity is lacking. For instance, while there are some analytics features, the depth of data you receive isn't as detailed as you might expect. The intended audience seems to be anyone from influencers to small business owners, but it's worth noting that some might find it lacking in advanced features that larger brands typically require. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Beacons is incredibly easy to use, which is great if you just want to get started without a steep learning curve. The customization options are also a standout feature, allowing creators to express their individual brand. However, there are some frustrations. The analytics can feel a bit basic, especially for those who want to dive deeper into their audience's behavior. Also, while it's affordable, there are other tools out there that might offer more robust features for similar pricing. If you're a casual creator, Beacons could be a solid fit, but for those looking for advanced capabilities, it may not be enough. In conclusion, Beacons is a solid choice for creators looking for a straightforward link in bio tool with a personal touch. However, if you need more advanced features or in-depth analytics, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth a try, but manage your expectations based on your specific needs.